Tesla's Supercharger network is expanding, and you can help decide where the next charging stations go. This introduction explains how Tesla's voting system works and how you can participate. Tesla allows vehicle owners to vote on potential supercharger locations, helping prioritize where to build next. You can access voting through Tesla's website or app, where proposals are listed with vote tallies. Owners can suggest new locations or support proposals to influence the charging network expansion. This system helps Tesla strategically expand infrastructure based on community input. By voting, you help Tesla prioritize community needs and expand their charging network effectively. To access the Tesla Supercharger voting platform, start by logging in to your Tesla account. You can do this through the Tesla website at tesla.com or directly in the Tesla mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Superchargers section. This is typically located under the Trip Planner feature. Here you can explore the voting interface, which shows maps and options for finding or proposing new locations. In the Superchargers section, you'll find options to view existing proposals and submit new ones. The Trip Planner also helps you plan routes with battery levels, showing how voting contributes to better charging networks. Remember, to be eligible to vote, make sure your Tesla account is properly linked to your vehicle. This ensures your participation in shaping the supercharger network. To propose a new location for a Tesla supercharger, you need to enter the specific address and provide a brief justification. Enter the specific address of the proposed location. Make sure it's a public space where installation would be feasible. Explain why this location would be beneficial. Highlight reasons such as being a high-traffic area, an underserved route, or a convenient stop for travelers. The more compelling your reasoning, the more likely other Tesla owners are to vote for your proposal, increasing its chances of being selected. Remember, Tesla prohibits proposals for private property or sites that compete with existing charging networks. Here's an example of how proposals appear on Tesla's map interface, showing potential locations with route planning. This shows a real example of a community proposal that led to a council discussion and approval for a Tesla Supercharger location. The Tesla Supercharger voting process gives each verified Tesla owner one vote per location proposal. You can update your vote if you change your mind, ensuring the system remains flexible. Tesla evaluates each proposal based on several key factors. First, the number of votes determines initial popularity and priority. Second, feasibility is crucial, particularly electrical grid capacity. Tesla must ensure the location can handle the power demands of superchargers. Third, strategic fit considers how the new supercharger integrates with the existing network, filling gaps and supporting travel routes. While popular votes directly influence site selections, Tesla's final decisions also account for practical factors like grid capacity and potential partnerships with local businesses. Several supercharger locations have been directly influenced by community votes, showing the real impact of user participation. For example, a supercharger along California's Highway 101 was fast-tracked after receiving over 5,000 votes from the community. This led to a modern V4 installation that significantly improved charging availability on this high-traffic route. Similarly, numerous sites along Germany's Autobahn network were approved due to high vote counts. In 2025, 30 new locations were built from 50 community proposals, greatly enhancing the charging network for European Tesla owners. In Munich, a community-voted supercharger at an IKEA parking lot was constructed in only 6 months. This urban location now handles more than 1,000 charges each week, demonstrating how votes can bring charging to city centers. These successful examples show how community votes directly influence Tesla's supercharger network, creating a more user-driven and efficient charging ecosystem. While high vote counts are crucial for Tesla's supercharger proposals, the company considers several other important factors when deciding where to build new stations. One primary factor is electrical grid capacity. Tesla superchargers require substantial amounts of power to charge vehicles quickly, so the company must ensure that the local electrical infrastructure can handle the load without causing outages or requiring expensive upgrades. Tesla also evaluates location accessibility. The site needs to be easily reachable by major roads with good visibility and safe access points to ensure Tesla drivers can navigate to and from the supercharger without difficulty. Proximity to amenities is another key consideration. Placing superchargers near restaurants, shopping centers, or rest areas makes the charging experience more enjoyable and practical, encouraging longer stops and supporting Tesla's ecosystem. The potential impact on overall network coverage is also assessed. Tesla evaluates how a new supercharger would enhance the existing network, filling coverage gaps and improving route efficiency for long-distance travel. Finally, regulatory approvals and zoning laws play a significant role. Tesla must navigate local building codes, environmental regulations, and permitting processes, which can impact the timeline for new supercharger construction and sometimes lead to delays. Tesla is increasingly focusing on urban superchargers to support daily commuters. They're also integrating solar power and grid balancing technologies into new sites. The voting system is expanding internationally, with increasing engagement in Europe and Asia. Future trends may include AI-driven suggestions for optimal supercharger locations based on user driving patterns. Tesla is increasingly focusing on urban superchargers to support daily commuters. By 2025, 60% of new installations are in metro areas, driven by votes from dense populations. Tesla is integrating solar power and grid balancing technologies into new supercharger sites, with votes influencing eco-friendly locations. The voting system is expanding internationally, with higher engagement in Europe and Asia. Votes have led to 40% more proposals in these regions in 2025. Future trends may include AI-driven suggestions for optimal supercharger locations based on user driving patterns, aiming for 20,000 sites by 2030. To maximize your impact in Tesla Supercharger voting, regularly check the Tesla website and app for platform updates, voting results, and new features. The system evolves rapidly, with enhancements like real-time tracking added in 2025. Engage with other Tesla owners through forums and social media to promote proposals that address real needs. Community collaboration has led to successful builds, like the expanded European Autobahn network, driven by collective votes. When submitting proposals, provide detailed justifications and highlight benefits, such as reducing range anxiety, supporting underserved routes, or enabling long-distance travel. Tesla reviews proposals with 100 or more votes within 30 days, and strong cases increase approval chances. Remember that your participation directly contributes to expanding the supercharger network. As Elon Musk noted, customer votes shape about 40% of new sites, creating a more convenient and accessible charging infrastructure for all Tesla drivers. By staying informed and actively participating, Tesla owners can collectively build a supercharger network that supports unlimited range and sustainable transportation for everyone.